This is an H. How many words can you think of beginning with the letter H?
Hello.
Fine.
Handshake.
I did.
Hot dog.
I wasn't thinking.
Hats.
Not.
Hair.
Wait.
Hide.
No. To continue.
Happy.
Wait.
Hiccup.
I didn't.
Harp. Hard.
Please, if you.
High. Hen. Horn.
You're in.
Horse.
Finally. As I was saying,
Head. Hero. Hot.
halt. Hold. Now, I'd like to.
Help!